How to pronounce the. The is pronounced as the before any word, except for words that start with vowels. A, E, I, U, and O. In this case, they are pronounced as the. For example, the apple, the chair, the elephant, the ring, the ice cream, the book, the university, the pen, the others, the flower. Exception: when we wish to place emphasis on a particular word, we can use the whether or not the word begins with a consonant or vowel sound. For example, I saw the president yesterday. What? The President of the United States? Yes, exactly.